This video will describe a step-by-step process on how to change your oil on your Hyundai Palisade. Step 1, you're going to want to jack up the vehicle. The jacking points are the same on both sides. You're going to jack up and lift up on this point right here. Same on the other side. After you get the vehicle jacked up, make sure you add a jack stand for extra safety. To pop the hood latch is right here. Grab underneath, lift over, push up. Once you're underneath the vehicle, we're going to remove this shield. There's 5 10mm bolts. There's also 2 push clips. You can use a tool to remove those, or a screwdriver. Let's pop them out. Now that you have this cover off, you have access to your oil filter and the oil drain plug. I'm going to use some cleaner to clean the drain plug area. And as well as around the oil filter cap. We're going to use a 17mm socket to remove the oil drain plug. At this point, grab your oil container. As you're letting your oil finish draining, we're going to take out the oil filter cartridge. It's going to be 1 1/16". Make sure you have another container to catch the oil. We're going to grab the old oil filter out, kind of twist and pull. Grab some automotive cleaner. I am using a OEM oil filter, part number right here. Comes with a filter, new gasket, and oil drain seal. Use a flat blade screwdriver or a pick to take off your old seal. Take some engine oil, clean engine oil, and put it around the new gasket. Once you get the O-ring lubed up, put it around the container. We're going to take our new oil filter with the words up, and we're going to push it inside until it snaps in. We're going to go back underneath the vehicle. Put our new oil filter cartridge back in. In the oil change kit, there was a new smash washer. I took the old one off. I'm going to put the new one on. Then we're going to tighten it up. When you get everything tightened up, you got your oil filter cartridge in, and you got your drain plug back in. I like to clean it up, get all that oil residue off of it. Don't forget to install the cover. Once you get the cover back in, we can lower the vehicle back down on the level ground, and then we can go up to the top. We're going to add 7 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic into this port here. I'm using a 5W30 Mobile 1 full synthetic. You do not want to use a blend synthetic, you want to use a full synthetic. Once you get your oil in there, we're going to take out our funnel. Put the cap back on so we don't get any dirt or dust in there. Go ahead and start the vehicle. Pull the stick, wipe it clean, re-dip it. Pull the stick, check the level, and we are just below the top hash mark. So right below full. So we are perfect. To reset the oil life, we're going to hit the on button twice. To get into accessory mode, we're going to go to setup, vehicle. We're going to go down to convenience. We're going to hit service interval, and then we're going to hit reset. Yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more.